Before you listen, take yourself out of past or future tense statements, please. No thinking things like, well, I used to be a lot thinner, or by next summer, I'll be at my goal weight. How do you feel about your body right now, in this very moment, is my question. I know for many women, this question is a daunting one. It's one that can bring up a lot of emotions like shame, fear, frustration. The good news is that it is possible to answer that question in a positive way. It's possible to learn how to love your body no matter what size you are. Hello everyone, I am Parleen Singh, your Mindset Transformation Coach, and I have come up with 5 ways to practice body positivity at any size. How to love your body? Recognize that we all come in different shapes and sizes. We all see unrealistic images of beauty everywhere, every day. Who doesn't look amazing with a professional makeover or a photo shoot with great lighting? But here's the deal. We got to stop comparing ourselves to images we see in those magazines or online. Or better yet, stop comparing with anyone. Embrace that we all come in different shapes and sizes. We all have different goals and you are at different parts of your journey. Practice positive self-talk. Being human, we all inherently have an inner stream of consciousness that babbles on all day long. Start your own list of positive thoughts and focus on those more often than you do anything you want to change. Switch from fear to gratitude. It's tremendously easy to get caught up in what we don't like about ourselves. These shame-based thoughts come from a place of fear. Fear that because we don't like what we see in the mirror, others won't either. Find ways to be grateful towards your body and how it allows you to live your life. The moment you start to view your body for all the miraculous things it does for you, you will learn how to love your body fully. Set health-related goals instead of size-related goals. Having fitness goals is wonderful, but the motivation behind the goals can make a huge difference. Maybe you want to hit the gym twice a week before work or lift those heavy weights next month than you can do this month. Maybe you want to cut down on eating processed foods or sugar. Focus on factors like your overall health, longevity, strength, endurance, and energy. You are making healthy choices because you love your body and feel worthy of giving it with actions that support your big picture desires. Live the life you want right now. So many times people postpone life's amazing experiences until they reach their goal weight or decline invitations to the events because their body doesn't exactly look the way they think it should. If you have a trip that you want to take, schedule it now, please. If you'd like to use the trip as a reward to yourself for hard work in the gym or hard work in the kitchen, then do so. But tie the reward to experimental progress rather than a body weight number. For example, you might plan a short weekend getaway at the end of the month to celebrate your 4 weeks of consistent daily exercise. Or you might to indulge in a spa day after a week of healthy eating. Or reward yourself with some new clothes that make you feel beautiful and strong. Life is happening right now. Acknowledge and love your body enough to live it. Loving your body is about being comfortable in your body, and only you get to set the parameters of that. Only you get to decide what that looks like, and only you know where the finish line is. Never let anyone make you feel ashamed about what you decide or don't decide to put on your body. Please. Body positivity has truly changed my life, and hope this video can inspire you to find love and acceptance for your body as well. But when it gets hard, remember you have to make the choice to keep going. Remember to connect to me on my Insta handle for that daily golden nugget. And if you need assistance on establishing the love relationship with yourself, connect to me on one-to-one. Do subscribe or follow, like and share this video. Waiting for your comments on how this video helped you on your realization. Lots of love for the way you are.